Are you tired of the endless cycle of diets and weight loss hypes? Do you find yourself searching for a sustainable way to manage your weight without feeling deprived or constantly hungry? If so, you're not alone. Many people are on a quest to find the secret to maintaining a healthy weight without sacrificing enjoyment in their meals. But what if the answer lies in something as simple as adding more vegetables to your plate? In today's fast-paced world, where convenience often compromises nutrition, the importance of vegetables in our diet cannot be overstated. These colorful, nutrient-packed powerhouses have the potential to not only nourish our bodies, but also play a significant role in weight management. So, let's explore deeper into the question, can eating vegetables regularly help you manage your weight? We shall focus on the power of vegetables, the role of vegetables in weight management, and practical tips for incorporating more vegetables in your diet. The power of vegetables. Vegetables are nature's gift to our health. They come in various shapes, colors, and flavors, each offering a unique set of vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that are vital for our well-being. But what makes vegetables particularly beneficial for weight management? First and foremost, vegetables are low in calories and high in fiber, making them the perfect addition to any weight-conscious individual's diet. Fiber helps you feel full and satisfied, which can prevent overeating and snacking on calorie-dense foods. Moreover, many vegetables have a high water content, further contributing to a feeling of fullness without adding extra calories. The role of vegetables in weight management. Incorporating vegetables into your meals can have many positive effects on your weight management journey. Here's how. Number 1. Filling without the calories. As mentioned earlier, vegetables are low in calories, but high in volume and nutrients. This means you can eat a large portion of vegetables without worrying about consuming excess calories, helping you stay within your daily calorie goals for weight loss or maintenance. Number 2. Boosting satiety. The fiber and water content in vegetables can help increase feelings of fullness and satiety, reducing the likelihood of overeating or indulging in unhealthy snacks between meals. Number 3. Nutrient density. Vegetables have essential vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that support overall health and well-being. By replacing calorie-dense foods with nutrient-dense vegetables, you not only manage your weight, but also provide your body with the vital nutrients it needs to thrive. Number 4. Balancing blood sugar levels. Certain vegetables, such as leafy greens and non-starchy vegetables, have a low glycemic index, which means they have minimal impact on blood sugar levels. Consuming these vegetables can help stabilize blood sugar levels, reducing cravings and the likelihood of experiencing energy crashes that lead to unhealthy food choices. Practical tips for incorporating more vegetables. Now that you understand the benefits of eating vegetables for weight management, you may be wondering how to incorporate them into your daily routine. Here are some practical tips to help you get started. Number 1. Make vegetables the star. Center your meals around vegetables by filling half of your plate with a colorful assortment of veggies. Experiment with different cooking methods, such as roasting, steaming, or sautéing to enhance flavors and textures. Number 2. Snack smarter. Instead of reaching for processed snacks, opt for fresh vegetables with hummus, salsa, or Greek yogurt dip for a nutritious and satisfying snack option. Number 3. Blend them in. Sneak vegetables into your favorite dishes by blending them into sauces, soups, and smoothies. Spinach, kale, carrots, and zucchini can easily be disguised, adding a nutritional boost to your meals. Number 4. Get creative. Explore new recipes and cooking techniques to keep your meals exciting and flavorful. Don't be afraid to experiment with different types of vegetables and flavor combinations to find what works best for you. The answer to whether eating vegetables regularly can help you manage your weight is a resounding yes. By incorporating more vegetables into your diet, you can enjoy a wide range of health benefits, including improved weight management, increased satiety, and enhanced overall well-being. So next time you're planning your meals, remember to make vegetables a priority. Your body will thank you for it. If you found the content enjoyable, please subscribe to the channel for more fantastic videos.